Hey, Tink. What's up, buddy? What you doing?
God, you're annoying.
What?
Nothing?
Oh, okay. You ready for dinner, bud?
Heck yeah.
Cool, cool. You know what, though? I think we should give you a bath first, though, because we gotta get rid of them fleas.
No. Don't want fleas.
We gotta get rid of them fleas, bud.
No fleas.
Alright, let me check, alright? Dude, I see something. We have to give you a bath.
You suck, man.
You've been scratching all day.
Man. Yes, 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 yes.
Alright, after dinner. Give you a nice little massage after dinner, okay, bud? Aww.
I'm okay. It just itches. Yeah. So, what are you making for dinner?
Anything you want, dude?
Like what?
Pick something. Anything.
I don't know.
Well, I do have a surprise.
Beef?
No.
Catnip?
No. Better. I'm gonna give you some milk.
Warm milk?
Yep. But you gotta stop scratching like that. I'll make sure I give you a little massage after dinner. Alright, bud?
Hell yeah.